Ever wondered about an island city that merges the old with the new, seamlessly blending history and modernity? Welcome to Xiamen, China. Nestled on the southeast coast of the country, Xiamen is a city that dances to its own rhythm. It's a place where skyscrapers rise majestically against the backdrop of the sea, interspersed with traditional Chinese buildings that tell tales of a time long gone. Xiamen is a fusion of cultures, a coastal metropolis where the past and the present coexist harmoniously. Its rich history is etched into the cityscape, in the intricate carvings of its ancient temples and the winding lanes of its old towns. Yet, the city also embraces the new, with modern architecture that reaches for the sky and a vibrant contemporary art scene that's always pushing boundaries. This is Xiamen, a city that's both a window into China's past and a glimpse of its future. Dive in as we uncover the must-visit places in this fascinating city. First on our list is the enchanting Gulangyu Island, also known as Piano Island. This charming island, nestled in the heart of Xiamen, has a unique allure that's hard to resist. Gulangyu is a pedestrian's paradise, completely devoid of cars, where the only sounds you'll hear are the melodious tunes of pianos and the soft lapping of the waves against the shore. The island's colonial architecture is a sight to behold. With a rich blend of Victorian, traditional Chinese and South Asian styles, each building tells a tale of the island's eclectic past. The streets are lined with quaint little cafes, art galleries and boutiques, evoking an old-world charm that's both captivating and soothing. What truly sets Gulangyu apart, however, is its deep-rooted musical heritage. Known as Piano Island, it boasts the highest piano ownership per capita in China and is home to the only piano museum in the country. A visit to Xiamen without a stroll on Gulangyu Island is indeed incomplete. Next up is the South Putuo Temple, a serene sanctuary that invites tranquility. Nestled at the foot of the Wulao Peaks, this temple is more than 1,000 years old, serving as a silent witness to the ebb and flow of history. It's not just a temple, it's a testament to the enduring legacy of Buddhism in China. The temple's architecture is a sight to behold, with its intricate carvings and towering pagodas. Each structure is a work of art, echoing the craftsmanship of ancient artisans. The Grand Hall of Great Compassion, with its majestic Buddha statue, is a highlight that leaves visitors in awe. But the temple isn't just about the buildings. Climb the Wulao Peak behind the temple, and you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of Xiamen. From this vantage point, the city's skyline unfolds before you, a stunning contrast to the tranquility of the temple. For a dose of serenity and spirituality, the South Putuo Temple is a must-visit. Now, let's move on to the Hulishan Fortress, a window into Xiamen's past. This monumental fortress, built in the late 19th century during the Qing dynasty, stands as a symbol of Xiamen's rich history. As we delve into the fortress, we find ourselves surrounded by a remarkable collection of old weapons, a testament to the fierce battles once fought here. Not just a historical marvel, the Hulishan Fortress also offers a breathtaking view of the sea, making it a picturesque spot for travellers. From its towering parapets, one can gaze upon the vast expanse of the azure sea meeting the sky, a sight that leaves an everlasting imprint. This fortress, with its unique blend of history and natural beauty, is a must-visit for every traveller. Whether you're a history enthusiast wanting to delve into Xiamen's past, or a nature lover seeking a spectacular sea view, the Hulishan Fortress caters to all. For history buffs and panoramic view lovers, Hulishan Fortress is a place to remember. Last but not least, let's explore the bustling Zhongshan Road, the heart of Xiamen's shopping scene. This vibrant street pulsates with energy day and night, alive with the ebb and flow of locals and tourists alike. It's a hive of activity, a riot of colours, sounds and scents that perfectly encapsulates the city's spirit. Zhongshan Road is a veritable smorgasbord of shops catering to every whim and fancy. From high-end boutiques to quirky local stores, there's something to satisfy even the most discerning shopper. But it's not just about shopping. This road is also a gastronomic paradise, offering an array of restaurants and street food stalls that serve up a delightful mix of local and international cuisine. More than a shopping avenue, Zhongshan Road is a cultural hub, blending the traditional with the contemporary. Here, you can get a sense of Xiamen's history while also experiencing its modern heartbeat. For a true taste of Xiamen's modern life, a visit to Zhongshan Road is a must. So what makes Xiamen truly unique? Well, it's the tantalizing symphony of contrasts that set this city apart. Xiamen is a city where old meets new, peace meets hustle, and history meets modernity. It's a city that tells 1,000 stories, each as captivating as the last. As we've journeyed together through Xiamen, we've seen how it's a city of many faces. We've wandered the tranquil paths of South Putuo Temple, a spiritual haven nestled amidst the city's heartbeat. Here, the serene hum of chanting monks and the gentle rustling of ancient trees create a soothing melody that can calm even the most restless of souls. Yet, a stone's throw away from this oasis of tranquility, we find Zhongshan Road, a vibrant artery pulsing with life. The bustling street, lined with an array of shops, restaurants and street food vendors, buzzes with energy and is a testament to Xiamen's dynamic urban spirit. We've also stepped back in time at the Hulishan Fortress, a historical monument that whispers tales of Xiamen's past. The fortress, with its ancient cannons and sturdy walls, stands as a proud remnant of the city's martial heritage. On the other hand, we've enjoyed the musical legacy of Gulangyu Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This island, known as the Island of Music, is a testament to Xiamen's cultural richness. The air here is filled with the melodious notes of piano music, a gentle reminder of the island's historical love affair with the instrument. Xiamen, therefore, is a city of contrasts, where every corner reveals a new surprise. It's a place where the peaceful coexists with the lively, the historical with the contemporary, and the cultural with the urban. It's a city that has learned to beautifully harmonize these contrasts, creating a unique charm that's hard to resist. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or a lover of culture, Xiamen has something to offer. It's time to add this mesmerizing city to your travel bucket list.